everyone, we're here at Kickapoo State Park for another Tower TV episode. We've got a Pro Boat river jet. It's got a impeller instead of a propeller, so it's jet driven. So it sucks water in the bottom and shoots it out the back. It's self-riding. Got it bound to our DX5C. And I'm going to show you a couple cool features here in the middle of the video that we can actually make the impeller move up and down to create different thrusts with the jet. So we're going to toss it in the water and have some fun. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this edition of Tower TV with our Pro Boat River Jet. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you click the link down below to learn more about the River Jet. It's a very fun boat for like a river type rapid situation like we have here. Not so much an open lake, it's a bit twitchy and kind of torquey. So, but other than that, I would highly recommend picking up this boat. It's very fun. Hope you enjoyed.